Good morning, dear students. Okay, thank you for coming today. Today we have a new topic, right? But before that, what was our previous topic about? Where do you work? Exactly. Today we are going to talk about something similar, okay? Our topic today is, do you work on, okay? Today's topic is, do you work on weekends? Repeat after me. Do you work on weekends? Okay, what is weekend for you guys? What is weekends? Do you have an idea about weekends? Volunteer? Sorry? Yes? Okay, yes. So, weekends means what? Remember the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, what else? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, right? So, weekends is Saturday and Sunday. Repeat after me. Weekends. Weekend. So, weekend is Saturday and Sunday, right? Yes. So this is the topic today, and we are going to talk about different things. Okay? Got it? Very good. So please copy the topic right now. Copy the topic. Okay, let's practice now the vocabulary regarding the topic. We are going to practice also pronunciation, okay? Okay, guys, here we go. Repeat after me. Do. Do. Does. Does. Do. Do. Does. Does. Dislike. Dislike. Don't like. Don't like. Why. Why. Because. 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 Look at my mouth. Because. Because. Tiring. Tiring. Pay. Pay. Extra money. Extra money. Day off. Day off. Vacation. Vacation. Insurance. Insurance. Get. Get. Don't get. Don't get. There is one word missing there, and it's positive. Remember, dislike and don't like is negative. Sorry. It's negative. But the positive of this is what? Like. Very good. Is like. And like is positive. For example, I like food, right? It's positive. When you use dislike, is the opposite, lo opuesto, right? Good. So now let's practice together. Now you are going to repeat and I just going to listen, okay? Let's practice pronunciation.
Do, does, dislike, don't like, like, when,
Why?
why,
Why?
why,
¿Por qué? Right? Why? Very good. Because. Repeat. Because. Because. Tiring. Tiring. I can hear. Pay. Pay. Right? Pay. Extra money. Day off. Vacation. Vacation. Insurance. Get. Don't get. Okay, now let's do it together with more energy, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
do, does, dislike, don't like, why, because, like,
Don't get. Okay, good job. So, did you finish copy the vocabulary? Did you finish copy? Okay. Yes or no? Not yet, because you're still copying, right? Yes. Okay, finish copy. And then we are going to explain a little bit about grammar. May I erase the board? May I erase? Okay, here we go. So now we have, as I said before, we have the auxiliary verb. Repeat after me. Auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs. Do. Does. Okay, we use the auxiliary verb to ask questions. Like the topic. For example, this is a question. Repeat after me. Question. Do you work on weekends? ¿Trabaja el fin de semana? So we use the auxiliary verb to ask questions. So I use do with the personal pronoun you. Repeat after me. They. What else? What else? You. They. Other. A different one with the same auxiliary verb. Okay. You. They. What else? Personal pronouns. Remember. We. Okay? And we use the auxiliary verb does with the third person singular. Which is the third person singular? Can you give me an example? One personal pronoun regarding the third person singular. Can you give me an example? One example here. If not volunteer, I'm going to ask you, okay? Yes. She is one. One other? Other? A different? He. And the other is? It. Very good. So now we need to pay attention. When we have do, I'm going to use with you, they, and we. When we have does, which is the third person singular, she, he, and it. Okay? I'm going to give you an example for each situation. Do you work on weekends? Okay, so my question is, ask your classmate, do you work on weekends? Pregúntele, do you work on weekends? And you too. Everybody ask questions. Everybody. Do you work on weekends? Do you work on weekends? Okay, good. So now we answered that question. La respuesta, the answer is going to be positive, is going to be yes. Okay, number one is yes. Then my personal pronoun, I. Yes, I. And I'm going to use the same auxiliary verb. Yes, I. How do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce? Do. Repeat after me. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
This is positive. And now negative is going to be? Sorry? No. Excellent. No, I don't. No, I don't. Very good. So now let's do it with the third person singular. Instead of do, I'm going to start with does. Yes. Does, for example, does she work on weekends? how is going to be positive? Can you help me? Can you help me? The answer like this. Yes. 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 What do we have here? She. Yes. Yes. She. And then what is next? She does. Yes, she does. And the negative, how is going to be? No. She doesn't. No, she doesn't. Very good. Now repeat after me. Do you work on weekends?
Do you work on weekends?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Does she on weekends?
Does she work on weekends?
Yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
No, she doesn't.
No, she does.
Very good. So now you're going to copy. Good, guys. Excellent job, guys. Just to remember, we use auxiliary verb do with, repeat after me, you, they, we, and I. And I, okay? And we use does with she, he, it. Very good. Class for you guys. Excellent. Good job. Okay, now let's do the other activity. So we are going to have a short dialogue and we are going to practice. Okay? Ready?
Yes.
May I erase the board?
Yes.
Excellent, guys. So now we have a different activity. We have a short dialogue. We are going to practice pronunciation, okay? Then you are going to get in group of 3 and you are going to practice the dialogue in a group, right? Good. Okay, let's do it. Repeat after me. Do you work on weekends, Mario?
Do you work on weekends, Mario?
No, Julio, I don't.
No, Julio, I don't.
Why not, Mario?
Why not, Mario?
Because it's tiring.
Because it's tiring.
What about you, Julio?
What about you?
I do, Mario.
I do, Mario.
Why?
Why?
Because I get good pay.
Because I get paid.
Okay, now listen to me. Now you are going to be letter B and I going to be letter A. Okay? So I repeat the A part and you all together are going to repeat the B part. Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Do you work on weekends, Mario?
No, Julio, I don't.
Why not, Mario?
Because it's tiring.
I do, Mario.
Right.
Because I get good pay. Okay? Excellent. So now, this is an example. Now you are going to get together in group of 3. Okay? Get it together in group of 3. And you are going to do the same thing. Okay? You're going to do the same. Van a hacer lo mismo. Ready? Okay, get together in group of 3. Group of 3. 3. 3. Okay? Now,
Do you work on weekends, Mario?
No, Julio, I don't.
Why not, Mario?
Because I did
tiring.
what
I do, Mario.
Why?
Because he gets good pay.
Because I get good pay. Excellent. Good. Keep working. Keep working. What about you guys? Good. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Excellent job, guys. So remember that we use why. Repeat after me. Why.
Why?
That means por qué. Para hacer pregunta. To ask questions. Remember. And we use because. Repeat after me. Because. That means porque para dar una explicación. Okay? Remember. Why for questions and because for explanation. Got it? Okay, now let's review the class today. When do we use, what personal pronouns do we use with the auxiliary verb do? Do you remember? You, yes. They, we, and I. Very good. Class for you guys. Claps. Okay. Now tell me, when do we use the auxiliary verb does? We use with the personal pronouns? She, he, and it. Very good. Okay, repeat after me. Do you? Do they? Do we? Do I? Does she? Does he? Does it? Very good. Class for you guys. Good job. Okay, now let's do the homework. Let's do the homework right now. Please copy the homework. Okay, you're going to ask one person in your family. It could be your father, it could be your mother, it could be your older brother, if she or he likes to work on weekends. Got it? You're going to do actually the same thing that we did here today in class. Okay? Please copy the homework. Did you finish? Excellent. Okay, guys, it was a pleasure today to be working with you, and see you tomorrow. Class for you guys. Thank you for coming.